Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. Today we have a hair sponsor from Elemo hair. They sent me over this really cute headband wig, so if you're interested to learn all about it, then just keep watching. Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and following me along this journey. I had to change my Instagram to Dosa Sydney, so don't forget to follow me over there, and also don't forget to follow me on TikTok if you guys want to stay updated on, you know, your girl. So let's get into the video. Okay, so without further ado, I received this package from Elemo hair and I cannot wait to see what everything looks like. I've been trying my best to not get into the bag already, but this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like they gave me a headband wig, so it does come with the headbands. Of course, let's see what the headbands are looking like. You guys know I love cheetah print and I'm super excited because I see a cheetah print headband. So before we get into that, I see this really cute like chain inspired like headband. This is really cute. It's very much so giving vacation. I'm so excited. I got another cheetah headband, y'all. I am obsessed with cheetah print and I love this. Next up, we got this really cute blue one. It's very like floral and I do like that this is kind of like, I don't know, like chiffon like type of fabric. Usually like the headband wigs that the company send are like fabric, are like cotton headbands. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, cotton. And so I really like this. This is a little bit different. I really do like this green one. This is so cute. This would be this is like giving me like when you got your little bikini on and you want to just throw your hair up really quick. Like this would look super cute. Like this across your head, you know, like vacation vibes. Like I'm giving rich auntie, or you can put it on your head and it's given like effortless, you know. And this is a really cute one as well, so I am super excited about that one. So what else came in the bag is some wig caps. You guys know that I love me some nude wig caps because I'm forever, you know, running out, and it's really good that they send you 2 pieces. So got that. And then I got a little cheetah pouch, so cute. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, I see some sparkly and pink. I got some lashes. These are super cute. Let's see. Ooh, I like lashes that are wispy on the ends, so I really do like this, and their packaging is so cute. Next up in this little pouch, I got a powder puff. Now this is gonna come in handy because you could just slip it in your purse with your little press powder and just touch up your makeup as needed. But the star of the show is right here, y'all. This is the wig that they sent over. Let's open it up and feel this bad boy, okay? Okay. Ooh, ooh. This hair is so soft, y'all. This is like probably the softest hair I've received to date. This is so soft. You see how I'm running my fingers through this hair? Like, yes, I love it. And you know the thing I like about this wig as well is that it's like a soft brown color. Like I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's not like jet black or anything. It's like a soft brown. I really do like that because I don't have anything like this. So yeah, this is the wig. It looks like it's a straight wig. It's really given like silkiness. Y'all see that luster in that hair? Like I'm super excited to play with this bad boy. I think you can see the color now. It's picking up like brown. I love this. I don't have anything like this, and it's a long headband wig. This is about like 18 or 20 inches and she's giving everything she needs to give, okay? So as you can see, I already did my little baby hair, so let's style this bad boy up. Before I forget, it also came with this little pamphlet in the inside. Has all their information. Don't forget to check them out. Everything will be listed in the description as well. It also comes with hair care instructions on how to wash your hair and care for it so it can last longer. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so taking a look at the construction of the wig, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips in the inside. It might be a little hard to tell. It has your little Velcro strap so you can hook it in the nape of your neck. So I'm gonna pop this bad boy on. Before I turn around, don't judge me, okay? I had some dookie braids in my hair, but I was wearing one of my wigs and I needed it to be a little bit more flat in the front, so I just slicked it back. I got braids in the back and a slick in the front. Like, don't come for me, okay? But my mirror is this way, so I need to turn my head over. So I'm just gonna turn over like this and turn my wig over, and I'm just going to flip it over, literally flip it over, hook the bottom hook in the nape of my neck. Don't come for my bun, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. Install that like so, give it a flip back. Like, headband wigs are literally the easiest wig to install if you don't know how to install anything. If you're scared of wearing wigs, weaves, anything like that, you need a headband wig because it's so versatile. Like, you can literally make it look as natural as you want it to. So I have my baby hairs out. I don't have any hair out today, but I'm going to fix it like so. Find those clips and then just insert them in my head. It's so much easier because I have like the best of both worlds going on. I got like braids and a slick back, so it is all good, okay? So now that everything is in place, I'm just going to snap it in the back like so. And it is literally that easy. Like, you have an on-the-go hairstyle in seconds. Like, so cute. This looks so natural. Like, if I didn't tell you that this was a headband wig, like, you would think that I just have a headband on and this is like my natural hair. Like, she's not like the thickest ever, but that's okay because it makes it look more natural. I have really small ears, yes, I know, so I have to go like this so you can see my ears, but look at that. That looks effortless, natural. It took you 2 seconds. Pop that bad boy on and you have a whole look, okay? I love it. I don't even think that I need to like crimp it or anything. Maybe I'll just run over it with the flat iron to get these little crinkles out, but I'm gonna leave it straight. I am loving this. I'm obsessed with how silky smooth this hair is, you guys. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, this hair is so soft and silky. Before I apply any heat to any of my units, I have found this Chi spray from Marshalls and it was $10.99. I am obsessed with this stuff. It makes your hair so soft after you flat iron it and everything, and it protects your hair. This hair is so soft, like, and it has a lot of luster, but I'm still going to spray some of this on the hair before I flat iron it to give it a little extra barrier of protection, okay? So I'm just gonna take some like so before I flat iron it and just comb through it really briefly and get some of these kinks out. Now, this is a flat iron that I'll be using. I just got this at my local beauty supply store. It's a titanium. It's called the Red Pro Titanium 460. I really like this flat iron. It has been used and abused, baby, but she gets the job done. This hair silks out in seconds. Like, I like that. And another thing to test if the hair is good or not, when you flat iron it, there should be no hair in your flat iron. If you see those little like black marks after you flat iron your hair, you know that it's not virgin hair. And this is definitely virgin hair because that is not happening when I flat iron this boy. So I'm just gonna continue to do like so and get the kinks out, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the finished result when I'm all done. Alright, you guys, this is the final result. I am super impressed with Elemo hair. Their hair is, I can't stop saying it, but it is so soft, you guys. Like, butter. Like, I know you guys see that. That is butter. And she got very, 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 very bone straight. It took no effort. And like I said, if you are a beginner, you're new to wearing wigs, weaves, or anything, or if you are one of my natural girls and you do not want to put any heat in your hair or anything, you can have minimal baby hairs out, or you don't have to have any at all. It's a headband wig, so you could literally pull it up all the way, put a different headband on, leave this one on, and you are good to go. And it's a protective style. You can have your hair in braids underneath, anything, and it works. So, and you have a cute little style, you know? So I definitely recommend you guys check out Elemo hair. Like I said, everything will be in the description below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all of my new handles. Everything is Dose of Sydney now, so you guys can check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.